Be sure to subscribe for more content.
Hey guys and girls, so today we're going to be talking all about Shiba Inu, and I personally think it's a very exciting time to be a SHIB holder, and I'll explain why in this video. So basically what we're looking at now is Shiba Inu on the day chart. So every candle is a day, and we can see right here, and we can actually see that the price from around mid-June has actually been in a fairly bullish direction. If you have a look here, for example, if we draw from where the bottom is in mid-June to where the top is here, that's a 150% gain, or a 2.5x on your money if you had bought at the bottom of Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu has pumped a lot harder than most other altcoins during this general bear market that we see ourselves in. And right now, I say that it's exciting to be a holder of Shiba Inu coin because I think we're very close here to the support line. There's very, very well established support line that we have on Shiba Inu. Look at that. So we've had several tests of the support line, starting from where it is over there. We've had a test there. We've had a test here. We've had a test here. And now we're testing this area as well. So we tested just a day or two ago and we bounced off the support yet again. So at least 5 tests here on the support line for Shiba Inu. And if you look at this chart as well, look how many times the coin has pumped. The highest time was here, literally out of nowhere. A whale must have bought into Shiba Inu because there's a 43% gain from this pump there. Obviously what goes up must come down, and of course this is a bear market as well. So when we see a pump like this, 43% in a bear market, generally it's not that sustainable. However, it's very impressive to see nonetheless, and you can see the volume here showing that a whale has definitely bought in to Shiba Inu at this point. And that's not the only pump that I'm noticing. Obviously there's this pump as well. So in the space of 3 days, 22%, really awesome there. And this pump in general as well, can't ignore this one. And in 1 day, Shiba Inu pumped 50%. On the 24th of June that was. So that's very, very exciting. So at the moment we're close to support. We know that Shiba Inu has the capacity to pump 10, 20, 30% in a day, and it's been done several times before. I think now is a very good time, based on the fact alone that we're very close to the support level. We're likely going to bounce off in a bullish direction again on Shiba Inu, given that the crypto markets and the stock market in general are also fairly bullish. If they go down as well, then we could see Shiba Inu crash below the support level. However, if all is well in the stock market, if things don't take a turn for the worse, anything outside of the crypto markets nuking, Bitcoin reaching new lows for 2022, then I think Shiba Inu will stay above this support line. And of course, if we extend the support line as well, there's a major time coming up for Shiba Inu, because I've been watching this very, very long-term resistance here. Hang on a sec. So if I draw that like this, we can see that again, lots of tests for this long-term resistance here. Look at that. So we've got one test in the end of 2021 there, we've got another test there in February 2022, there in April, and there in August. So look at that. So 4 tests of this massive resistance line, this very, very long-term resistance line that's held since the end of 2021, and Shiba Inu is closing in on this price. So what I do expect to see is price action that kind of looks like this. Obviously that doesn't account for any of the pumps that may occur, so obviously so probably this line won't be as smooth as I've drawn out here, but this is the general direction I expect Shiba Inu to go into. Of course, there's this massive resistance there, so we could very well see Shiba Inu respect that and close in on this tip of the triangle here. But at this point here, around the start of October 2022, I can't say exactly what day for sure, there's going to be a deadline for Shiba Inu to make their mind up as to whether it's going to break through this resistance. And if it does break through this resistance, we can see some massive price movement going in that direction there. Or if it can't break that resistance, we could see Shiba Inu fall through the support here and maybe use that resistance a few more times, going in a direction that kind of looks like this. Again, guys, it's really does depend on what the general crypto market is doing at this point, and general macroeconomic conditions that will dictate where Shiba Inu will go. But I'm overall really impressed with Shiba Inu, just generally looking at it. One of the reasons is if we compare it to Bitcoin, for example, if we just add Bitcoin USDT onto the chart on a new price scale, we can see that Shiba Inu had about the same downfall as Bitcoin did. And remember, guys, Bitcoin's the leading cryptocurrency. It's number one of all the cryptocurrencies out there. It's probably deemed the safest cryptocurrency. And yet Shiba Inu dumps in May 2022 a similar amount to what Bitcoin dumped. And what's even more fascinating is if we take this level here where Shiba Inu leveled off and consolidated for a bit before dumping in June again, you can see that the price today has exceeded that level. But if we look at Bitcoin, where Bitcoin was in May 2022, where the price consolidated before the June dump, Bitcoin has nowhere near reached that level. So I'm looking at the orange line now, just for clarification. Bitcoin has nowhere near reached that level, which is around 30,000 for Bitcoin. The highest it got to was 25,000. And at the same time, this is where Shiba Inu literally reached nearly 0.2 cents there, well above the consolidation period that it had in May, which was around 0.11. So very impressive from Shiba Inu there. The fact that it's regained all of its losses that it had after the lunar crash. So generally, I'm very, very bullish for Shiba Inu, and I'm excited to see where it goes. Obviously, in the shorter term, so throughout September, basically, I see Shiba Inu using the support line, bouncing up and down with a few more pumps similar to these candles that you see here. Of course, guys, if it is a big pump, then obviously I will be taking profits. If I see, a 20% pump in one day, I will be taking profits on that 20%, because chances are the price will probably dip back down. As you can see here, there's plenty of examples of pumps where the price has retraced all the gains. So if you do see a pump, make sure to take profits. But throughout September, my price prediction will probably be up to around 0.14 for Shiba Inu, and I'm excited to see what it does for this major resistance line here. It could break out earlier, it could break out here before October even starts. However, the deadline for Shiba Inu to make its mind up will be this time here in October, so 6th, 7th, 8th of October, somewhere around that region. So that's all I have to say in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed as well, be sure to subscribe to this video, and I'll catch you all in the next video.